So I'm showing you guys a 5-bedroom apartment. This is in Al Wurud neighborhood. So this is the entrance. It's pretty spacious, brand new, unlived in. Here is the kitchen. Again, the kitchens, there's literally no cupboards, no appliances. I believe they're going to put the appliances and the cupboards in here. I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to ask. There is this might be a closet room and a washroom. Okay. This right here, this is a bedroom it's already carpeted. Here is a washroom. You can see me in there. Here's a washroom. Another bedroom with its washroom. It's a walk-in washroom as well. Okay. Here is another bedroom. Okay. People stuff in here. Let me close that. And let's see what else. So this might be the living room area. Here is an area to wash your hands. Here is also another washroom. Yeah, so a washroom with no shower. This is the living space and another living space. It's very big. Oh, and there's another door. There's another door. So this door leads to the exit to go on the other side. So it does lead to the other side.